Assalamu alaikum everyone. So we'll start with the new chapter today, that is chapter 5th, Rural Development in India. Indian economy is predominantly a rural economy. Economic growth of the country is driven by its rural development. It is true that India lives in villages. The term rural development is a subset of a broader term, development. It includes overall development of rural areas with the view to improve the quality of life. Now, according to 2011 census, the country's rural population is 83.25 crores, which is approximately 68% of the total population. Therefore, this particular topic, rural development, holds a very much importance as far as economic development is concerned. There has been a wide consensus that rural development should be inclusive and sustainable in order to alleviate the poverty. Now we'll study one of the definition given by the World Bank of rural development. The concept of rural development was born in the context of agriculture, and it remained for a long time with agriculture development in India. That means when we talk of rural development, the emphasis was given on agriculture, but with time things have changed. Now, according to World Bank, rural development is a strategy designed to improve the economic and social life of a specific group of people, the rural people. Rural development involves extending the benefits of development to the poorest among those who seek livelihood in the rural areas. The group includes small-scale farmers, tenants, and landless. To make the definition concise or precise, the World Bank focuses on the improvement of the quality of life of the people in rural areas, which will ultimately lead to rural development. So by providing them occupation, employment opportunities, better health facilities, and improving their standard of living, rural areas will develop, which will ultimately lead to economic development in the country. Now we'll study the rural occupational structure in general. Just like any other country or the nation in general, rural occupational structure is also divided into three sectors: agriculture sector, industrial sector, and service sector. Now, how does agricultural sector contribute to rural development? The rural population in India is classified into agriculture sector, which has been subdivided as agriculture and allied activities. Agriculture in rural areas consists of small, marginal, and large farmers. Allied sector consists of plantation, forestry, fisheries, dairy, and horticulture. So there are different activities related to agriculture that take place in rural areas. Another sector found in the rural development or rural areas is industrial sector. Industrial sector is defined as an economic activity concerned with the processing of raw materials and manufacture of goods in factories. This sector has been classified into small scale, cottage, and rural industries. And the third sector that is found in rural occupational structure is service sector. The service sector, termed as tertiary sector, involves provision of services to businesses as well as final consumers, such as accounting services or tradesmanship services, computer services, restaurants, tourism, and so on. The service sector has been further classified into traders, wholesaler, retailer, transport operators, professional and technical services. So the occupation in rural areas is also divided into three in these three structure, that is agriculture, industrial and service sector. By focusing on these different sectors and providing employment opportunities, rural development will be at a faster pace and will contribute to the nation's development. Now, as we have seen, the concept of rural development in India, that is how the rural areas should be developed, how the standard of living of the people in those areas should be developed in order for the economy to progress. Now we'll see the significance of this concept. Rural development in India has witnessed various plans and policies initiated by the government as well as the non-government officials. Appropriate strategies for rural development will lead to economic growth and development of the country. So one of the very first significance of rural development is the public health and sanitation. Rural development helps to improve the sanitation and hygiene of the rural people. It helps in providing safe drinking water and affordable health facilities. This would lead to an improvement in the quality of life of the rural people. Another significance of rural development is the literacy rate in rural areas. Literacy is a powerful instrument of socio-economic change. However, there is a considerable gap between the rural and urban literacy rates. Rural development helps to bridge this gap by making provisions for educational facilities at all levels. Through rural development, the poor people will also have access to basic and higher education, which will help in improving their standard of living. Empowerment of women. Rural development helps to reduce gender disparity. It helps to meet the diverse needs of rural women as well as encourage their participation in community development programs. Through rural development, the women in village areas can get better job or employment opportunities, which will help them to become independent and provide for their families. In this way, rural development empowers women and thereby contributes to the development of the community in general and also to the economic growth and development. Enforcement of law and order. Rural development helps to safeguard the rights of the socially disadvantaged groups through proper enforcement of law and order. It provides a platform for the people like farmers to fight for their legal rights and get what they deserve. This helps them to build or boost their confidence, which ultimately helps them to lead a better standard of living. Land reforms. Rural development ensures effective implementation of land reforms such as ceiling on land holdings, regulation of rent, protection of tenancy rights, and so on. This leads to reduction in rural inequality. Because there are proper land reforms available for the farmers or small scale tenants and landless people, rural development ensures that the people in rural areas are aware of those rights and they are not taken advantage of. So rural development helps in implementation of land reforms, which helps the farmers or tenants to grow and contribute to the economy. Infrastructure development. Rural development leads to further progress in basic facilities such as generation of electricity, road connectivity, irrigation facilities, and so on. With rural development, the infrastructure will also develop, which will help the people of the rural areas to have a developed life or to have a better standard of living. Another significance of rural development is the availability of credit. Rural development also facilitates the growth of financial institutions such as primary agriculture cooperative credit societies, regional rural bank, cooperative banks. All this is vital for providing subsidized credit facilities to the farmers. With the development of the area, with the availability of cooperative banks and other regional rural banks, the farmers in the village get access to better credit options, and as a result they can improve their business practices, they can expand their business and thereby contribute to the economic growth and development. So rural development facilitates the availability of credit, which helps the farmers to grow. Eradication of poverty. Rural development leads to an increase in rural incomes and standard of living. This helps in the eradication of poverty. One of the basic aim of rural development is to eradicate the poverty among the rural people. So by providing employment opportunities or improving their standard of living, by providing enforcing proper law and order, making available credits, and improving the business facilities or infrastructure facilities, rural development helps in the eradication of poverty in rural areas. So this is one of the most important significance of rural development. So now we have studied the concept of rural development and its significance in India. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.